All right. You guys ready? So we're going to look at page 32. Page 32. And I need somebody to be Steve. You can be Steve, all right? And I need someone else to be Mark.
Yeah.
Mark?
Me.
All right. We have Steve. We have Mark. And then about halfway through, we need Kathy and Amanda.
I will be Amanda.
You'll be Amanda. You're Kathy. Perfect. All right. Then we have Mark and Steve at the end again, all right? You guys ready?
No, I'm Mark.
I think you're Steve, right? So, but you're going to say, Mark? Let me read this part though first. It says, Mark, Steve, and Kathy are at a wedding reception for Amanda. Did you know? Is that why you raised your hand and said, I'm Amanda, you want to get married today? Okay. For Amanda and Josh. I don't know who Josh is. You can be Josh, right?
No, I'm Steve.
No, you're Josh. You're getting married. Congratulations. Didn't know that. Okay. But I don't think you have anything to say. Read these 3 conversations. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You're Steve. Okay. Go ahead, Steve.
Mark.
That's good. Mark. All right.
Steve, are you there for the wedding?
Yes, I am. Amanda is my cousin. What about you?
Yes, I am.
Josh and I. Come on.
Josh and I are friends from school, but this is a great wedding.
Okay, stop there. Boy, this is a great wedding. What does that mean, boy?
Wedding?
Boy, do you mean like boy and girl? What does it mean?
Yeah, like it's gender.
Really, we say boy when we mean wow. Boy, right? I think people don't say this as much anymore. This is a little bit old. But boy, like, wow, this is a great wedding. And Steve says?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is, right? So do you notice are you? Because it's a question, we use the be verb and the subject, right? The short answer, yes, I am. Are you here for the wedding? Yes, I am. All right, Kathy and Amanda. Ready, Kathy? Ready, Amanda? No, you're Kathy. You get to go. You're going to say, who's that man?
Yeah, you coffee.
Yeah.
This man is Mark. He and Josh are friends. Who is single?
Aha! So listen to this. What is that? What is I'm thinking. And then her question is he single? What does that mean?
Single.
He's the person who's done with a girlfriend.
It's hard.
No, single is the person who's done with a girlfriend.
No girlfriend?
No girlfriend.
Usually when we talk about single, it's the opposite of married.
Yeah.
Right? So if you just have a
No
boyfriend
wife.
or girlfriend, you're still single.
Yes.
Right? But if you get married, you're not single anymore. So is he single? And Amanda says?
Yes, he is.
Oh, that's good news.
What kind of work?
Wait. What does he do? What does you see that? What does he do? I think you skipped a little bit. What does he do? There we go.
What does he do?
Good job.
He's a student and a writer.
Good.
What kind of work? He writes 5 books.
Good. Everyone say this. What kind of writer? What kind of writer? 1, 2, go. What kind of writer? There are different kinds of writers, right? Some people write books for children. Some people write books about mathematics or grammar, right? So what kind of writer is he? Okay. He writes travel books. All right. And then Mark says? Mark.
Oh,
Mark. Yeah.
Who is that woman with Amanda?
Her name is Kathy.
Kathy.
Is married?
Does it say is married?
No,
is
is
she married?
Is she married, right? Just like Kathy was wondering if you were single. Is he single? Is she married, right?
No, she's not.
What does she do?
What does she do?
She's a travel agent.
She's a travel agent. So remember, what's his name? No, Mark. Mark, right? He writes travel books, and she's a travel agent. Oh my gosh, they're perfect for each other, right? And they like each other. That's amazing. All right, look at the next page. The top of page 33. Alright, say these words with me. Married. 1, 2, go. Married. Married. Okay, the next one. Single.
Single.
Good. A writer.
A writer.
A travel agent.
Travel.
Alright, so do you see the writer? He's working at his laptop, at his computer. He's writing. Okay. The travel agent helps people to travel, usually to different countries. Right, and let's go over these expressions in the middle. A says, "I'm here for the wedding." What about you? I'm here for the wedding too. What does that mean? What about you?
What about you doing here?
Like,
This is why I'm here.
yeah. Like, and you.
And you? Yeah. And you? How about you? What about you? Right? Right. And then number 2 says, "What do you do?" Say that with me. What do you do? So when you meet an adult, not a high school student, but when you meet an adult, right, and you want to know that person's occupation, that person's profession, you can say, "What do you do?" So if someone says to me, "What do you do?" What do I say?
I'm working.
I'm a teacher, right? That's what I do. That's my job. Okay. This person says, "I'm a writer." All right, and the next one, "Boy, this is a nice wedding." Boy, this is a nice wedding. Yes, it is, right? You can say that about this. Boy, this is a nice class. Right?
Damn.
Boy, this is an incredible teacher. Boy, this is a handsome teacher, right? You might say that, right? Ha ha ha. All right. Look down here. See all the jobs? First one says a cashier. Say that with me. Cashier. Cashier. Do you see the word cash?
Yes.
Cash, what is cash?
It's
De façon, on
The person
de money.
But what is cash? What is cash? You just said it. It's money,
Yeah.
right? So a cashier is someone who takes your money, right? So when you go to Walmart, when you go to Target, when you go to Fry's, right? The person who takes your money is a cashier. Right, what's the next word? A mechanic, good. So say it with me like this. A mechanic.
A mechanic.
A mechanic. A mechanic. A mechanic, right? It looks like mechanic.
Yeah.
Right? But we don't say ch, we say k. A mechanic. Look at the next one. A nurse.
A nurse.
Good. And the last one, a police officer. A police officer. Alright. What do you think for number 2? What is his job? He's a mechanic. He's a mechanic, right? So someone who works on cars. Okay. Look at number 3.
nurse.
A nurse, right? Does a nurse have to be a woman?
Yeah.
No. There are many men that become nurses. Right, and then number 4, what is her job?
A cashier.
Or is that a he? That's a girl. As a police officer, number 4?
Is a cashier.
Yeah.
It's a cashier, a police officer. Come on. Maybe it's an undercover police officer pretending to be a cashier. Let's look at the next page. The next page. So page 34. Can you look at 34, please?
34.
I said please. There we go. All right. Okay. All right. So if we look over here, okay, we have all these questions. These are all yes/no questions. Okay. So when we're asking a question where the answer is yes or no, we're going to use those to be verbs. So like, am I right? Am I right? Today is Monday. Am I right? Am I right that today's Monday? Yeah. Today is Tuesday. Am I right? No, you're not right. In fact, it's Monday, right? And then look at the short answer. If you look over to the right a little bit, yes, you are. Am I right? Yes, you are, right? So there's the short answer, 1, 2, 3 words, or no, you're not, 3 words, or no, you aren't, 3 words, right? We've seen this before. Are you a writer? Are you a writer? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he a student?
Yes.
Yes, he is. Or no, he's not. Or no, he isn't. Is she single?
Yes, she is.
Okay, say that word with me. Single.
Single.
Let's work on the pronunciation. Is she single?
Is
Is she single? Again. Is she single? Is she
Single.
Is she
Is she
single? Right? Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Right? Or no, she's not. No, she isn't. Okay, look at the next one. Is your car new?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Or no, it's not. No, it isn't. Right? Right? Pretty good. Pretty easy. Right? Why do we say it for the car? For your car?
Because it's a thing.
It's a thing, and it's only one. It's singular. Good job. Okay, look at the plurals. Are you happy? Are you happy? If I'm talking to all of you, are you happy? Yes, we are. Or, no, we're not, right? No, we aren't. Are we late?
Yes.
Yes, you are, right? No, you're not. No, you aren't. Are they brothers? Yes, they are. No, they're not. No, they aren't. Okay, then look at the WH question. So they're focusing on who. Remember, who is a what?
Who is that woman?
But what does who mean?
Who
The
like
prayer for girl.
It's for a person, right? Okay. I don't say,
who is
who
that?
is this, right? I don't say that. It's a chair, right? I say what? What is this, right? It's a chair, right? But if I'm talking about a person, I'm going to say who is this, right? Okay. So who is that woman? Who is that woman, right? And then what's her name? So a name is we think of that as a thing, right? Okay. A few more things to do. Look at the grammar notes. In a yes or no question with be, put and, is, or are before the subject. So the subject is I, so I am right. Question, am I right? So we reverse them, right? Okay. Look down here. We often use contractions in negative short answers. Is she married? No, she's not. Remember what contractions are? So I can take, hang on a second, I can take she and is, put them together. So what's that word? She's, right? That's my contraction, right? I can say she is not. I can put is and not together. What's the contraction? She isn't, right? We are not, put are not together. We aren't, right? Or I can say this, we are not, I can put we and are together. We're not, right? You guys get those already. So those are contractions. So those in those negative answers, remember I said that we usually have 3 words, right?
Yep.
We almost always use contractions, okay? Am I right? Yes, you are. Notice that we don't say, yes, you're. Am I right? Yes, you're. Yes, you are. Always 3 words, okay? Is she single? Yes, she is. Not yes, she's, okay? And then look at the top of page 35. Look at the top of page 35. He's getting it. Good job. Top of page 35. It says use who to ask for information about people. Use what to ask for information about things or ideas, right? So who is that woman? What is her name? Who is that woman? What's her name? Okay. And who's and what, so with the contraction, that's a little bit informal. Right, we're going to look at part 1. Right, we're going to do this together. Number 1 says, she looks interesting. Is she married? No, she's not. Now they've circled the question, is she married? Because the instructions say circle the questions with be, right? Then they've underlined the short answers. Let's do number 2 together. It says, are you here for the wedding? It's over here.